Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be part 3 of my wash day hair routine. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2 where I wash my hair and do the first round of putting products into my hair, then make sure you check out those videos. In this video I'm going to be doing the last stage of styling my hair, so I'll be putting in the last round of products and then you'll see how I decide to style my hair. Right now I'm thinking I'm going to do like a top knot. So yeah, I feel like let's just get straight into the video. A lot of the products I'll be using you've seen before. In fact, all of them you've seen before. So I'll be using my Blue Magic Tea Tree Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This is nearly finished, but I've got another one that I'm going to use as well. I will also be using the ORS Monoi Oil Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Then I'm going to use the Fantasia Icy Shea Butter Deep Oil Moisturiser that I use all the time. And then last but not least, I'm going to use my Soft and Botanicals Ultra Nourishing Moisturizing Lotion. I'm going to show you guys just how I put them in my hair, how I style my hair. My hair is a tiny bit wet. It's still a bit wet. But because I've got a busy day tomorrow, I'm going out, so I don't have time in the morning. Well, I don't want to, rush myself tomorrow and do my hair. So I'm just going to do my hair tonight. Normally I would just let my hair dry and then style it in the morning. But yeah, I'm going out tomorrow. This usually takes about like an hour-ish to do like the cream and everything like that, so I'm gonna speed through this video. You're gonna see everything like really fast. Me and my boyfriend started watching The Man in the High Castle like last week. At the time of filming it's last week, but by the time this video goes up it would have been like a month ago. So we started watching that last week and we're really obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that. Also, this is very old. It came out like 2015. So I'm going to watch The Man in the High Castle while I do my hair, so I won't be too bored. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Make sure you check out my blog byAliceXO.com, as well as my Instagram account DAP_byAliceXO. I'm always sharing like products that I love, new things that I'm trying on both my Instagram and my blog, so make sure you check those out, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, that is it for my hair. It didn't come out like us. You can see there's this bit. I'm gonna have to redo this. Do you know what, whatever. So yes guys, this is my hair day completed. If you've watched parts 1 and 2 and now 3, thank you for watching along. If you're natural, have afro hair, I hope you've picked up, you know, a few products that you might want to try. Everything that I've used is very affordable. It looks like a lot of products. It is a lot of products. That's why it's like the whole day. You need to spend the time just doing your hair for the whole day. But you know what? It's so worth it, especially to have like thick, long, healthy, emphasis on healthy hair. So yeah, that's been my hair routine. You've seen me put in like all of the products in my hair and then style it into this really cute bun. I've done just like a simple like top bun and then with like a middle parting kind of thing. Right now it is it's 9:30 now, so I'm gonna put on my head wrap and then that will give time for my hair to kind of to really slick down. I'm probably gonna wear this with a headband as well, so that's cool. I don't mind so much this lumpy bit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Make sure you check out my blog by alicexo.com and my Instagram account dap_by alicexo to see more hair, beauty and skincare content from me. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.